guys, it's Tiffany from SuperEasyMath.com. Today's math problem of the day says a die is rolled. Determine which of these are certain, likely, unlikely, or impossible. So we're given some scenarios. The first one says it lands on a number less than 10. Well, when you think about it, a die has only the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So those are the only numbers that it could land on, and all of those numbers are less than 10. So the likelihood of a die rolling on a number that's less than 10 is certain. So I'm going to put a C for certain. The next one asks, what is the likelihood that it lands on a 2? Well, I'm thinking about all the choices. We got 1 through 6, and there's 2 out of the 6 options. So that would be 1 out of 6. So considering our choices certain, likely, unlikely, or impossible, I would call that unlikely. The next one asks, what is the probability that it lands on a 7? Well, out of our sides, there's no 7, so it is impossible for it to land on a 7. The next one asks, what's the likelihood that it will land on a multiple of 3? Well, the multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, and so on. Okay, you just add 3 to it to get the multiples. Well, the 9, the 12, and anything after is not a choice because the die only has up to 6 on it. So 3 and 6 are the only 2 multiples of 3 that it could possibly be. So that is 2 out of the 6 probability, or it's 1/3. So because 1/3 is less than half, or 2/6 is less than half of the rolls, I would say that the probability of it landing on a multiple of 3 is unlikely. The last one says it lands on a number greater than 1. Okay, so let's think about all the numbers that are greater than 1. We're talking about 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Well, there are 5 numbers out of the 6 that are greater than 1. So I would say the probability of it landing on a number that's greater than 1 is likely. Here's tomorrow's math problem of the day. See if you can solve it before I do. And don't forget to head over to SuperEasyMath.com where you can get my top 5 math tips to make learning math easy.